So as you can see, I wrote my text and every letter is on its own layer. Anyways, after you do this, click here and add a layer mask to your text. Then click on the gradient tool right here. Click here and select the black to white gradient. Make sure your gradient goes from black to white. Then just click and drag on your letter, and this will create the gradient. After that, you can drag your next layer and your next letter and layer it on top of your first one, and repeat the same process. So add a layer mask, press G on your keyboard, that's the shortcut for the gradient tool, and click and drag to make this shadow effect, and so on and so forth. You can then group your text, Command T to transform it. This way you can move it all together. And that's it. Pretty sick. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.